everyone, this is Will again. Thanks for coming to our live show today. Okay, me and Abby and Sally today. We will introduce you our items. And firstly, let me introduce you our company, Otima. Otima is a LD driver manufacturer in Shenzhen since 2006. And here we are now in our Shenzhen office, and almost 30 staffs here. And our office is in Shenzhen. Oh, sorry, our office is in Meizhou, Guangdong province. It's about 6 hours from Shenzhen to Meizhou. And you can see like this picture. This is our factory picture, a whole building and 4 floors. It's almost 4,300 squares and more than 150 workers here. And we have five engineers here. Mm, so you can also behind me, you can see this is our sample room. So we take some samples here. And the top side, sorry, maybe you cannot see. You can see this. Or is our certificate. We have CETV, FCC, ROS, and CTIC, SAA, and ETL, UL. So our LD drivers are sell very good to the whole world. No matter is Europe market and North American market. All of our products are with 3 to 5 years warranty. Even we have some items is 7 years warranty. All of our products are 100% aging testing before the shipment. That's why we can make sure our defective rate less than 0.3%. And also our products have the constant current LED driver, constant voltage LED driver, and dimmable LED driver such as track dimmable and 0 to 10, 1 to 10, PWM, and the daily dimmable LED driver. And we have the IP20 and for the indoor use, and also the IP67, IP65, and even IP68 for the outdoor use. We accept OEM and ODM, such as some customers they have their own design, so we can make production for you. And also we can make your own logo and your own packing, everything. We can make it. We have the strength to achieve your requirements. Okay, sorry, because here is a little far from our factory. If you come to our Shenzhen office, maybe if we have a chance, we can take you to our factory to show you our production line and how good, how strictly we control the quality. So you will know more about us. Also, you can contact us to get the catalog, and also we have a company video which made by TUV and Alibaba, so you can know more from us if you see the video. Okay, today let's introduce you our products. You can see in my hand. Firstly, I will introduce you the slim type LD driver. Slim type. I think you are very surprised because of the such beautiful design, right? It is white color housing. Looks very clear and simple. We use PC raw material because this is a kind of raw material has fireproof and double insulation. So this is very safe and even is better for the heat dissipation. That's why we can make sure our efficiency is up to 86%. Because some customers they use this LED driver, they place the LED driver on the wooden, so maybe they worry about the LED driver temperature is very high after working a long time. But if you choose our LED driver, no worry about this. Okay, next you can see here, this part. This part is a laser label here, laser label position, or is the laser label. We use laser, but if you want such a sticker or the printing or is okay, we can make it. And here you can see this is Ultima logo. Here is our Ultima logo. If you want to change to yours, no problem. And even the model number here, we can change to yours. I think now you must notice about the certificate. Here is the CE. Here. Yes. Well, this ad driver are with CE, TUV for the Europe markets, and ETL, UL, FCC for the North American markets. Because this type is the input is 180 to 240, so this input is special for the Europe market. So we only mark the CE here. And also SAA CTIC for the Australia market. You can see. Also, I will show you the this is constant current. This is constant current type. This one is a multi-type. What is multi-type? Because it has different currents for you to choose the different currents as you want, like this. You can see. Open the cover, and here you can choose the different current by the DIP switch here. So I will show you how to choose. You can see this one is a constant current LED driver. Here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here has 6 different currents. How to change it? Our label already show you how to change it, such as the first one. This one show you all DIP switch is off. Okay, now all is on. We put all the DIP switch off. The current is 700 mA. The current is 700 mA. You can see. Okay, if you want to choose the 900 mA, we can put the number 1 switch on. The number 1. You can see this one show you the number 1 is switch on and another is all is off. So let's do this. Number 1. The number 1 switch on. Like this. This one, okay, keep this one. Now the current is 900 mA. Okay, next is 150 mA. 150 mA. You can see this, and it is show you the DIP number 1 and number 2 is turned on, another is off. Okay, let's do it. You can see. Now the number 1 and the number 2 is on, another is off. So now at this status, the current is 1050 mA. Okay, such like this you can control. Let's do the last one. The last one, all is off. All is off now. The current is 150 mA. 150 mA. Maybe here is not very clear, but I just show you how to control the current by the DIP switch, so you will know how to use it after you get it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now all is off, all is off, all is on. All is on, the current is 1050 mA. Right? So it is very easy to installation, and it is very easy, and it is very cost effective, because some customers they have many different current LED lamps. if don't choose one, if you choose the regular one, maybe you need to buy many different current LED drivers to load with your LED lights. So you should only take this one back and to load with different current as you want. Especially for some distributors, who is selling the constant current LED driver. This type is from 15 to 50 watt. Size is very slim, right? Slim check dimmable. We also make the custom wattage type. Later I will show you. And here is the QC pass. Everyone we do the QC and we make the test before the shipment, so you don't worry about our quality. And here we use the power to make the screw here, so we can fix the LED driver to the wooden or to the some furniture, to fix with the furniture. Very beautiful design. Okay, next I will show you the custom wattage. You can see this one. Because later I will show you the dimming effect, so we already connect with the wire, the dimmer and the LED strip light. This one is custom wattage. This is very different type as the regular in the market. Why I say that? You can see because firstly the input. You can see the input wattage is this is for Europe. For the North American, the input is 100 to 277. It's very special because the regular type on the market, they only can make 90 to 130. So we can make 4. Many customers like this input wattage. You can see. And also the loading. The loading is 10 to 100%. It means when you use no matter is, because such as this one is 60 watt, right? No matter you load with 6 or load with 60, they will show you very good dimming effect. But if you choose the regular type on the market, their loading is from 70 to 100%. That means 60 watt LED driver only can load about 40 to 60. Only this range, it will show you the very good dimming effect. Also the dimming. Our dimming is from 0 to 100%. But other drivers' dimming effect is 5 to 100%. That means if you use our LED driver, the lights can be dimmed off. Okay, and this one is 7 years warranty. 7 years warranty. It's different from others which it has only 3 or only 5. And it is short circuit protection, overload protection, and over temperature protection. Very good, right? Yes, and we did, this one is track dimmable with leading and trailing edge. And also we did many dimmer tests. We choose many your local dimmer and tested in our labs, so we can make sure it can match 90% dimmers on the market, such as Lutron, Liptron, and Crystron, and so on. Some MLV and ELV dimmers. We have a list, Excel list. If you want to get this list info, so you can contact us. Okay, you can see. Later, I will show you how good dimming function our LED driver is. Okay, follow me. Here you can see we prepared. We already connect with the input side. We connect with a plug. You can This plug can change to UK plug and change to the Europe market. This is a EU plug, the Europe plug. You can also change to the Australian plug and the American plug. This is dimmer from the United Kingdom. It's not from China, it's from the customer. Here is a LED strip. I'm not sure if you can see clear. Yeah, let me show you. Okay, let's turn on the power. Turn on the power, let's dim off. You can see our dimming. Okay, now to adjust the dimmer, the brightness is become lighter and lighter. Okay, still adjust. Still adjust, the brightness become brightness. It's off now, so 0%. Dim to the 0%. Okay, let's do it again so you can see clearly. Okay, and from the power dimming, so you can see our LED driver has no any flicker and no noise, right? It's very good to protect your eyes, and it's very good to use this driver on the hospital which has a request for the non-flicker. Okay, we have a very special function is our LED driver has memory. Why our LED driver has memory? Let me show you. Because okay, can you see clearly? Now I turn on the brightness about 50%. Okay, turn off the lights. Okay, now I turn on again. It still keep the 50% brightness, so it's very easy. You choose the brightness percent as you want. It's very good function, right? Wait a moment. One point. You just see that during the whole dimming, our LED driver has no any this LED strip doesn't have color index, right? Because you know why? Because we make the LED driver has PWM output. PWM output. What is PWM output? It means we do not change the warm wire color. Such as if your LED strip, the warm white color is about 3000 K. If you use other regular items on the market, maybe your during the dimming, your LED strip is changed to be 2800K or changed to be about 3300K. But if you use our LED driver, it will always keep 3000K. Why I say that? Because if change your warm color temperature, so it is not good for your LED strip lifetime. So if you use our LED driver, it will have not any effect. So it will protect our LED driver and also protect your LED strip lifetime. Okay, and we have a very special design. You can see this one. Very special design is here. Here, can you see clearly? It has a fine tuning function for the wattage, for the output wattage. Because Many customer may know that, or some customer who is engineers, that's very special to know. Some LED strip they can't make exactly 12 volts, such as our this item is 60 12 volts. But if your LED strip is only 11.5 watts, if you always use the 12 watts to load, it's not good for your LED strip lifetime. So you can control here. This range is from it can adjust from the 11 to the 13. So it's very easy to control everything. I think you already noticed. Notice the input and output side we use the terminal. So you can see it's very easy. It's very easy to installation the wire. Okay, now let's you can see very easy. Terminal is easy to installation, and for the input voltage, for the input, for the input side, the terminal is suitable for the wire diameter from 0.75 mm to 2.5 mm. Also for the output. For the output, this terminal is suitable for the diameter from 0.95 to 2.5 mm. So as I mentioned at the beginning, all of our LED driver are with 100% 8 hours aging testing before the shipment. So if we even don't have any quality problem, because we always focus on the quality because we know how important it is. We don't want any trouble from us and even from our customer, and it's not good for the long-term business, right? Besides, we attend Hong Kong Lighting Fair, Poland Lighting Fair, and the Thailand Lighting Fair. This type is very popular, especially for the North American and the Europe market. Very small size. This one is from 30 to 90. The constant voltage is from 30 to 90 watts, and the constant current is from the 15 to 50 watt. So we have many different for your choice. Each one with one color box. If you want to make the color box, or each one with a white box. Sorry, each one LED driver are with one white box. If you want color box, or if you want to use the user manual inside, or we can make it. We can make it for you, no problem. So if you want to get more info about our LED driver, you can send us a message. 1 minute to you. If you have any question, you can contact us, or you can give us message now. I can see and to answer you right now. Okay, let me show you the thickness. This one is 60 watt. The thickness is only 24 watts, 24 mm. 24 mm. And this is very similar. This is also 24 mm. We also have many videos to show you the dimming, so you can. This is only check dimming I take here. We also have the daily, have the 0 to 10, 1 to 10 PWM, and even non-dimmable. Both we have same size. And also we have many other different models. Okay, if you don't have any question, next my colleague Sally, a very beautiful girl, will show you the round shape. Round shape LED driver is very special size also. Okay, welcome.
Hello, guys. Many thanks to for UN introduce the DIP LD driver for us. Hello, guys. Welcome to Sally Show. This is Sally from Ultima. Today, I want to introduce our good items to you. Round shape dimmable LED driver. You can see in my hand the dimmable driver is very small. The size is very perfect. Also, different output watt size are different. This model output power range is 12 to 80 watt. Just this sample is 20 watt. Let me show you the dimension. Thank you.
You're welcome.
20 watt. Dimension is 65 mm. The thickness just only 20 mm. For the European market, we can make CETUV loads are available. For the North America, FCCETL are available. This model is IP20. IP20 housing cell is practice. Fireproof, it can protect. It's safe. Put the driver on the wood. Independent. This driver has a high efficiency. It can up to 86%, also with a high PF. This model power factor can up to 0.95. High efficiency, it can protect the driver components. You may know our LED driver with a long lifetime, 5 years warranty. This model. Now many LED street light also with 5 years warranty, so that it's certainly to match. This driver with a over temperature protection, overload protection, and short secure protection. Maybe it's clear. They are similar. If you want to get a sample and want to know more details, you can just leave message or download our catalog. It's very easy for you. But dear, the most important is the routing and dimming range. Our LED driver routing is 70% to 100%. That means when you use the 40 watt The routing rate is 28 watt to 40 watt. 40 watt. It's very smooth no matter you route 28 watt or 40 watt. Also, the dimming rate is from 5% to 100%. You can adjust the LED strip light become darker. Let me show you the dimming function directory. Follow me. This is your plug. Round shape LED driver with dimming function. Output with 24 watt LED strip light. This dimmer. Turn on the dimmer. %, 70%. Mask. You can see the light become brightness when I turn on the dimmer. 7%, 50%. You can see the LED strip light become dust. It's very easy for you to control it. When you go out, you can use the dimmer to control the LED strip light become dust or become on. Input side with the dimmer. You can see when you output LED strip light, connect the LED driver. Please pay attention to the LED strip light output power doesn't more than the LED driver output power. If your LED driver output is 40 watt, your LED strip light is 50 watt. There will be flicker. You can see here with terminal to connect the input side and output side. From this little show, you may know more about our LED driver. If you want to know more clearly about the dimming function, we can share with you the video. You may concern about the LED driver specifications. For the input voltage, we can make 90 to 130 watt for North America. In Europe market, we can make 180 watt to 240 watt. For so many countries can use it. It can work for you. Also, this is dimmable. We also have a 0 to 10 volt and dimmable only. Also, not dimmable are available. Everyone, do you have any questions for this model? We are a VD driver manufacturer. So welcome OEM and ODM. Oh dear, our MOQ is 1P6. Also, we can list your logo for free. If you want to get a catalog, just leave your message or download. It's very easy. If you are interested in this model, you can contact us at any time. Do you have any questions, guys? Okay. Next, thank you for attention. Next, welcome my colleague AB. Introduce our waterproof IP6 LED driver for you. Thank you. Hello.
Hello guys, see you again. This is David. So do you still remember me? Also, I have a very big waterproof water box. Okay, now you can see the table is with many LED driver here. And today, thank you very much for the Vivian and also the Sally introduce you about another two items. One is the DIP switch LED driver, and also another one is the round shape LED driver. So next is my turn. I want to introduce you about our IP67 waterproof LED driver. And you can see in my table and with many different series LED drivers here. And for the IP67 LED driver, usually we have the slim type and also the normal one. And you can see this one is the slim type. The size is very small, right? Let me show you. The thickness is about just about 19. Can you see here? 19. And the thickness is very thin. And so usually the customer can use in with the application with size limited, like cabinet driver and a bathroom cabinet light, and also the bathroom light. So it can be used. And also we have our normal one. Normal one is like this one, like this one. This is 31. You see, this one is 31, and 31 constant voltage, 12 volt. 31 and 12 volt constant voltage. And also we have this one. This one also the normal type is 61. 61 and also the constant voltage type. So you can see this size also the 41 constant voltage, and this size and also this one all is our normal type. And for the normal one, the power range from the 20 watt to the 600 watt. But for the ceiling type one, with the power range from the 60 watt to 300 watt. As the size with the very thickness, so we also have the request of this transformer. So the voltage is just up to the 300 watt. Okay, so for the ceiling type and the normal type, we all have the low PF 0.6 and the high PF 0.9. And for this, and I think some customers were confused about the power factor and the efficiencies. Yes, in addition to the power factor, another important fact is efficiencies. So I can explain to you now. For the PF is usually for the PF means to improve the utilization of the city like some countries. Russia will must ask for the high PF 0.5, 0.9. So but for another countries they just no request of the power factors. So for the high PF, the more higher, then the utilization rate it will be more higher. And okay, so for another fact is the efficiency. For the efficiency is directly connect with the power suppliers. Like the low PF 0.6, the efficiency is up to the 90%. But for the high PF 0.9 and like 0.95 or 0.98, the efficiency is about 88 to 89%. Also, so some customers were confused why the high PF, the efficiency of the low PF will be higher than the high PF. As you can see, this each driver with the components in the PCB board. So with the high PF, then the PCB with more components, and each component with the necessary rules of the each board. So that's why the efficiency with the high PF will be lower than the low PF, as the high PF the component is more than the low PF. So I think now some customers will have some clear idea about it. But if you have any doubt of the power factor or the efficiency, you can just contact us and we can show the more details about this one. And the second, for the waterproof LED driver, and we also concerned about the IP67 performance, also the waterproofing. So I can show you more details, and like this one. First, you can see for the waterproof LED driver, we do the special design for the input side and the output side. And both sides we use the silicone ring to protect the driver, then the water will not enter the driver when you use the driver in the outdoor applications. This is the first one. And the second one, and you can see this way. This is a silicon glue. And all of our waterproof LED driver we filled with the silicon glue in the PCB inside, like this. So maybe it's more better for the heat dissipation. And I know now many suppliers in the market will use the epoxy resins, as the epoxy resins will be better for the waterproofing, but with poor heat dissipation. So when you use this driver with some no space, and with the high temperature, then the heat dissipation will the poor heat dissipation will damage the LED driver. The components will be damaged, so it will infect the warranty of the driver. That's why all of our LED driver use the silicon glue inside. And the third one is this. This you can see. This is also another special design. We use this design to expand the surface of the heat dissipation. Not only one this driver, and you can see all of our waterproof LED driver use this design. Now more and more suppliers also use the same design, so it's very common, like this way. And next, I can show you the IP67 performance. I think it is more important for you. So let me show you, and you can see in my table. And we already prepared a waterproof LED driver. For the input side, we connect the plug. For this plug, we can use your own plug to fit your markets, like EU plug, US plug, or AU plug is all okay. And the length also can be customized this way. And for the opposite, we connect the waterproof connector, okay, here, and also the LED strip light. Also the LED strip light. So now we remove the bolt here and put the driver, put the light, and also this driver. Into the water, can you see? And now we power on. And you can see the light is very brightness, right? So I'm here now, and without any flicker, can you see it's and also it works very well in the water. So you can see. So now many customers will do the same outdoor project. So it will exactly to use the IP67 waterproof LED driver. Okay, so we can just put the driver and put beside. So we now turn off and put the driver here. And we continue to introduce more details about waterproof LED drivers. And also, I can show you for the PCB inside design to you. You can see. And you can see it very clearly. And the back teeth is very clean, right? You can see here. And for the low material, usually we have the stable low material suppliers, like the MOSFET. The MOSFET in here inside. Maybe it's not very easy to look at. And for the MOSFET, we usually use the Fairchild, but sometimes also with the Toshiba. Both are made in the US. And for the IC we use the ST brand also in the US. And the important is the capacitor. Capacitor we use the lubricant from the Japan. So for our early driver, that's why we can issue with the 5 years warranties. And also for the certificates, we have many certificates approved like TOV, C, SAA, ETL, and CTIC, FCC, and others. Also this year, we are applying the UL certificate for the USA market. So it's very good. Can you see more? And the second, for the wire, you can see the wire we show you directly. Input wire we use the rubber wire and for the opposite thick cable, and we are more concerned focus on very small details of the each early driver. And also all of our early driver with 100% shipment, 100% agent testing before the shipment. Also, we have doing the income inspection of the raw material, so we can try our best to to reduce the fault of our early drivers. And that's why our customers repeat many orders from us. So if you are also very like us, and you can try our samples, and it will give you a big surprise, I'm sure. And also you can see, I think some customers also noted this laser printed. With this laser printed, we have our low laser machines, so it can do special. And also for all our customers, we can provide this service to you. And for the OEM, your own logo or the item number is for free. No need extra cost. You can see. Also, we can provide the high resolution picture with your own logo and the item number for your website and the catalog. So you can put them on your catalog and the website to promote your own brand with more be easier. So that's all I want to introduce you about our IP67 waterproof early driver. And also maybe you are all listening of our the whole live shows, and not only the waterproof early driver I introduced, also Vivian or Sally introduced about the round shape early driver, and also the DIP switch early driver. All of our products is our hot items, and all company will usually do the raw materials on stock, so we can have a quick shipment. As you may know, this year's the IC, not only the IC, also the transformer or other raw materials are in the shortage. So the lead time of early driver need more time than usual. So here the good news, and for us we have some items on stock, so it can be quick shipment. Like we can ship to you with 1 week, and also for other products we can provide the simple order like 3 to 5 days. But for the mass for the bulk order, we also can provide with the 10 to 50 days, 15. So it's very quick, and also it can save your cost, right? And if you have any questions about our early driver, you can leave the messages, or you can contact us directly on the Alibaba. And next, we also will have the we also have three live show left. So we have also, and the next one is also in this week. The Wednesday also have another live shows in these Wednesdays, and another two live shows also in the next week. So if you want to know more about us, you can come. You can just come and check if you have any. If we have this early driver, you can try. Okay, so you can ask me for any questions. Just if now. And also, I think we will also introduce about our company profiles. And our company is now this is our central office, and you can see my behind is our the early drivers. We make the board to show you more directly about the demoable early drivers. And here is the central office, and now we have about 20 persons in here, and also we have the factory in Meizhou. So we can send you our company videos to you to know more about us. And also for our company, I think some customers also know us, as we also returned about the many lighting fairs like Hong Kong Spring Lighting Fair and also Hong Kong Autumn Lighting Fairs. And we also attend in the Thailand Lighting Fair and the Poland Lighting Fair. And also we are planning to attend more and more lighting fair in the futures. And in this year, the Hong Kong fair also will be in the online. So we also attend, and we are planning for this fair. So if you have any questions, you can leave the messages, and we can show you more and more. So it's a very good chance to talk on the face to face. Oh, for this screen type, we also have the IP20 type, and also for with constant voltage and constant current. And in my last live show, I also introduced you about it's special. It's only introduced about the IP screen type early driver IP20 and IP67. So you can check. So if you have any question, if also we can talk after this live shows, and I think it will be also very easy and easy conversations for us. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye to you guys, and I just want to check my another colleagues to say goodbye to you. So wait me 1 minute. See you later. Hello, I'm back. So let's. Okay, so.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so thank you for your watching, and also thank you for your time. So, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.